and we got sirens going off.
For a tornado warning.
And it's the
It's
first
a tornado warning.
and it's the first Tuesday of the month.
For a test tornado warning.
And we
I
got
also got an EAS for a test tornado warning as well.
stay on the driveway, and
It's Illinois. It's the state
here's my
of Illinois.
brother.
Chris, it's severe
State.
weather awareness week. So
And we're supposed to get some storms today, by the way.
that's why they're doing the severe weather awareness week today.
And that's
Why I got an EAS on my weather.
Just get a feel of the sky. And here's a frog here. Dude, don't touch it.
Why?
It's like this.
Yeah, let me hold. Can I hold it?
No, just it'll be coming out now. And you can hear it. It is loud. It is loud.
It's 10:32 a.m. Central Daylight Time, as you can see on my watch here. So here. I don't know if you can see that or not.
So yeah, the screen's a little blurry.
Yeah, let me see.
Don't touch it.
Hit AF. Hit autofocus right here.
Yeah,
No, it's 10:33 a.m. Like I said.
that's definitely the one by Villa Bay. That's the one by Villa Bay.
Oh, there's two federal signals. 2001 130s going off.
And there's one by my mom's house too, which is by Maya.
Let's just be quiet.
Okay,
That's probably like a block away.
Hey there, I'm just taking a video of it quick.
I had it in my pocket.
I'm just taking a video.
Pretty loud.
I know. Watch when you're out here.
I don't know.
So I'm gonna get going, guys.